everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm back with another unboxing and this time it's from a makeup brand well known called MAC. So thankfully for my birthday my colleagues got me a MAC gift card worth £50. Okay, I want this. So I decided to treat myself to some products that I've wanted for a while, specifically focusing on my face. Obviously it's a makeup brand, sorry. Yeah, so I decided to treat myself to 3 products I've been wanting for a long time, one of which I have already used in the past a while ago, and 2 that I've never tried before. So I'll show you how it came delivered to my door. So it came in this packaging. You know, I didn't know what it was, to be honest with you, because there was no indication that it was from MAC. I can't show you the other side because I have my address on it. So yeah, it just came in this, looking a bit suspect, if I'm honest, but hey, it's a package. So yeah, it came in this thing. So let me get the product out. So first of all, what I'm going to show you guys is the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. I got this in the shade NC47. The reason why I got this product is because I wanted to get a product that I could use to set my under eye for my concealer. If I'm honest, I'm not that girl that wears makeup that bakes her face, because to be honest with you guys, I just can't be bothered. Most of the time I forget. So if there's a product that I can use that, you know, I can just put on quickly, I don't have to forget, I don't have to remember to like rub it off, it was just too much for me. Okay, so I got this product for that simple reason. Yeah, I got it in the shade NC47. This is how it comes. It's very nice and sleek. It has a mirror, and then you can also flip it up, and it also has this sponge, really soft sponge. I think it's for like to blot, like if you get a bit oily. But I love the shade. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I took a really long time. As you guys know, I like to check, like to do my background checks on what shades to get. I chose this shade because I felt like when I have used baking powder, sometimes it can be a bit too bright. I wanted something that was in between, that would set my concealer really nicely, but also would give that brightness underneath my eye. And FYI guys, this look was done with the products that I've got today, except from the foundation. But everything else that I'm wearing is from MAC, and the eyelashes, except the eyelashes. Okay, so just to give you a bit of a background on what the products do, the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation is 24-hour wear, immediately reduces appearance of pores, it controls oil and shine for up to 8 hours, and it's also non-drying. First initial views on the product is I really like it. If I'm honest guys, out of all of them, like I said in the video, this is my favorite one. It glides on so smoothly to the skin, and it just feels lightweight. Honestly, I feel like I'm not wearing any makeup, so that is always my go-to, that, you know, the makeup doesn't feel like it's just sitting down and weighing on my skin. Okay, the next product that I have is the MAC Mineralized The next product that I have, guys, is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural, and I have it in the shade Deep Dark. Dark Deep, sorry, not Deep Dark, Dark Deep. I always get that mixed up. So one thing that I love about this product is how sleek the packaging is. MAC packaging is just straight to the point, no faffing around. You get what you're given. So yeah, I really like the packaging. It's very easy to open as well if my hands weren't so greasy. So this is how it comes. Oh, lovely. It does come with this little protector just on the front there. And yeah, it's really nice, guys. One thing that I do like about this product is it's you can see that it's got some sort of pigments in it that is quite shiny, so it's going to give your skin that natural finish but also that glow. Okay, so this is a luxurious slow baked domed face powder with low level pearlized pigments that provides a dimensional yet natural satin finish. Can be used to set foundation and to touch up makeup throughout the day. Okay, this product is also apparently very good for contouring your face. I can 100% understand why. Unfortunately, the shades don't go dark enough for me to use this as a contour, otherwise I definitely would. But yeah, again, first initial reactions to this product, amazing. One of my really good friends, Aaliyah, when we was getting ready to go out whilst we was at uni, I always used to use this after doing her makeup on her face, and oh my gosh, her skin would look amazing. I just used to love the way the powder just used to glide all over her face. It's just like melts like butter. Okay, so yeah, amazing product. And the last one, guys, is the Prolong Wear Concealer. This is the only product from MAC that I have used before. I used to have it in a much lighter shade. I think it's the NC35. I used to use it underneath my eye. Again, this shade is NC45. It is darker, it's very close to my natural skin tone, which is what I wanted. So yeah, this is the color of it. Amazing concealer. Buildable, lightweight, full coverage. Okay, the full description of this product is it's a lightweight fluid concealer that provides medium to full coverage with a comfortable natural matte finish. Okay, gives a smoother, flawless looking finish on skin, helps to conceal flaws, dark spots, skin discoloration and under eye circle. The key claims and benefits for this product is it's long wearing, 15 hours, water resistant, transfer resistant. I'm not going to read the rest, but you guys get the point. It's resistant in a lot of things. So yeah, I have used this product before. I really like it. I wanted something that I could use in my makeup routine, a concealer that was close to my skin tone, that I could use as a corrector, or you know, just to blot out any dark marks, and then I could use a lighter concealer on top of that, just if I wanted any brightness. But personally, for everyday looks, this will be my go-to concealer. It did give me a free mini lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo that I could pick out, so that's the shade that I have on my lips right now. I did want to get a lipstick, but I wanted it, which is that exact shade, but I just wanted to test it out for myself before getting the full size. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and make sure you look out for the look that I recorded using all these products. Okay, I'll see you in my next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye.